In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and share Google Trends charts fast and easy. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Trends. It's a fantastic tool for discovering the latest search trends and analyzing search data over time. You can access it by simply visiting trends.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar right at the top. This is where you'll type in the keyword that you're curious about. It could be any term that you want to explore in detail. Let's say, for example, you're interested in the search trends for coffee. So you type in coffee and hit enter. After you've entered your keyword, it'll bring you to an overview page with lots of data. But for our purposes, we're going to focus on the Explore feature, which offers a deeper dive into the search trends. So go ahead and click on the Explore link. Here, you'll be greeted by a detailed graph that showcases how interest in your keyword fluctuates over time. This is the part where it often gets exciting, as you can vividly see the peaks and troughs in data, providing you valuable insights. Now, if you want to export this data, look for the download icon. It typically looks like a downward pointing arrow. Clicking on this icon allows you to download the data as a CSV file. CSV files are incredibly useful, as they can be opened with various data analysis tools and even spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets for further exploration, analysis, and sharing. Alternatively, if you'd like to embed this chart directly onto a website or a blog, there's another simple way. Look for the code icon, which lets you copy the embed code. This code can be added to the HTML of your web page, allowing the chart to dynamically display on your site. For those who might not be too familiar with using embed codes, simply click on Paste this into any HTML page. This will display a code snippet that can be copied. After copying, you'll paste this snippet into the HTML of your desired web page. It's as simple as that. Once you've pasted it and formatted as needed, you might want to ensure your embed is right where you want it, and for this, you can utilize the highlight option. It's a visual way to spot your embed code easily. Finally, conclude the process by hitting Done, securing your changes, and there you have it. Now you know how to effortlessly export data or share Google Trends charts, whether via download or embedding. This method can be a real game changer for anyone seeking to share trends insights quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found